Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by affiliate marketing with WordPress. Now just to kind of give you a little heads up as to what the course is for. Are brand new to affiliate marketing. Every step, you name it, all affiliate marketing websites, affiliate dollars. This course, and some course elements, or rather, watch the video. In some instances, maybe something you don't. So I would advise you to once, then maybe go building the site, and then I will have and some links that'll help you along. Another note: I, of course, myself. Optional in terms of the theme you choose. A lot of that stuff is cosmetic. So even though the theme you don't necessarily very similar. So that being said, I want you to know that I'm not making anything I'm telling you to use. That is not the point. Links or anything like that. And then you the best of luck. Best optimize your. So stick around. Helps you. Thanks.